front of me is TECNO Pop 8, and today I would like to show you how you can manage adaptive brightness. Begin by accessing Tab menu and looking for Adaptive Brightness shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is grey, which means that auto brightness is disabled. To enable it, hit the same shortcut again. If you want to, you can also go into Devices Settings, scroll down just a bit and tap on Display and Brightness. Then tap on this switcher next to Adaptive Brightness to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!